We can take some more examples. Like students, if I talk about aluminium, atomic number is 13 here. Atomic number is 13. So configuration 283. It also has two possibility. One, it can gain 5 electrons from other elements. Either it can gain 5 electrons, or second one possibility, it can lose 3 electrons. Students, what will be easy for it? Okay, he want to lose only 3, but it need to gain 5. It is easy to lose 3 for this one. So students, what will happen? It will lose 3 electrons. And after removal of 3 electrons, because it is losing 3, so 3 positive charge will be there. So first one, metals are electropositive elements. They have tendency to lose the electrons. Okay, I hope this point is clear to you. Okay, students, you can take some more examples also, like calcium 20. Here configuration is 2882. It has tendency either to lose 2 electrons only or gain to 6 electron. But students, it is not easy to gain 6 electron. It is easy to lose 2 electrons only. Okay, so comparatively it is easy. So students, it will lose. How many electrons it is losing? It is losing only 2 electrons. Because it is losing 2 electrons, so there will be 2 positive charge. Okay, so students, metals are positive in character. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. You know, if there are 1, 2 and 3 valence electrons in any elements, then students, it will lose electron, and after losing electron, it will attain positive charge. On this one. And students, if there are 4 valence electrons, then students, almost its share. Sometime it lose, otherwise it will share. Okay, so no charge will be there, students, and sometime positive charge will be there also. Then students, if there are 5, 6, 7 valence electron in any element, then it will gain electron. Then what will happen? It will gain electron. And how many electrons it will gain? 8 minus n. 8 minus n means 8 minus 5. N is number of valence electron. Here n is number of valence electrons. Here n is number of valence electrons. Okay, students. So if valence electron 5, then how many electron it will gain? It will gain 8 minus 5, 3 electron it will gain. 3 electron. If there are 6, then 8 minus 6, 2 it will gain. If there are 7, then element will gain 8 minus 7, 1. Then element will gain only 1 electron. But students, if already there are 8 electrons, 8 valence electrons, then neither it will lose nor it will gain. Neither lose